The gully?
Yeah.
So it's going to burst in the next rain come down? The next rain come down, we're gone. Yeah, we just hope and pray so the wall hold strong or everything is hold strong and it won't flood out again. Like what happened the other day. Because it's serious. It'll eat down. It'll eat where as you see. See there? It'll eat where as you see.
Yeah.
So you know the next every rain will come down it probably bursts. Well, my eyes up my tool look at something them when I have in the house. Right now we put the bed pan black. And put the chester jar and the things them on top of it. Put the furniture them on top of it. Somewhere we can and pack up, somewhere we can pack up and yeah, see what else it come down back there. We know it go happen. But what we can do, we don't have nowhere to go, yeah, so we have to stay. Since morning when the rain start fall. All of this happen. Then they come bank up the dirt, bank it up on the side, bank it up. So then dig it out and bank it up. See then? That's all. And we just ask them, all them have to do. You see right that's where the gully meet, the gully they come, the little gully they up there so. And just grind up there so come down, go down. Just grind it. Put the gear band basket. And we alright. Nothing will happen. As long as them put the gear band basket up there so, from up there so come down, we're alright.
And it caused a dreadful flooding in November of 2020, and now we are at the same place because they said they clean, but as the rain fall, the river bed full up back again. So right now would I like some help that they come and clean the riverbed so that we can be safe.